This is the Wildcat Report. Two major career-focused events are opening doors for students at Bethune-Cookman University, giving them hands-on experience and valuable connections.
We all start out the front desk at the heart of the hotel.
First, students took part in the Marriott Hotel's HBCU Day of Service, a day designed to connect them directly with professionals in the hospitality industry.
Wherever I'm needed, I'm being able to plug in and either plug myself in or move someone to be plugged in there.
The event featured leadership panels, career pathway forums, and a talent exchange, all aimed at bridging the gap between the classroom and real-world careers.
What interests you all into event planning or event management? Any interests?
The driving force behind the event was Carneal Wadi, whose vision and leadership helped bring the experience to life. His commitment to giving back, along with sponsoring the networking lunch, highlights the impact of alumni leadership in action.
Because I sat in the same seats they did years ago. I know going to the CAF and then coming to class and then going to band practice, I know all that takes to get successful. But then I wanted to let them know the steps and tools that I use as a student to get to where I'm at today.
A former BCU hospitality graduate, Wadi now serves as a senior manager with Marriott Hotels and is based in Atlanta. He says events like this give students critical insight and networking opportunities as they prepare to enter the workforce.
They can use what they learn here and trickle that right into the career field.
Moving on to the next event, students, faculty, and the community gathered for the Spring 2026 Academic Showcase at the Dr. Mary McLeod Bethune Performing Arts Center.
So today is about you, this hour is about you.
The showcase highlights student research, internships, capstone projects, and creative works across a wide range of disciplines.
It really did make me feel like I actually could do what I put my mind towards. I was kind of nervous about this project and also juggling it with my schedule and everything and also being involved in something I've never really been involved in before. It kind of did also make me work on my confidence and also my public speaking skills. The
event also celebrated academic excellence, awarding scholarships, including recognition for the James Patterson 2025-2026 scholarship recipients.
So imagine my feelings when I received the email congratulating me on being awarded the James Patterson Scholarship.
Organizers say both events highlighted a shared commitment to student success, innovation, and preparing the next generation of leaders. This has been another Wildcat Report.